Hello, hi, good morning to all of you present here. So these are the reviews which is came that why we having selecting or we have review our customers because whatever the things that they has to added the reviews. So we have just responded that thank you and also next also message I came that they have thank you so much. Hope you like it. Means whatever the means I just remember. So I just given the feedbacks from that customer if whatever the items they have just processing. So these are like having nicely done, so you're having the 4 stars reviews for this and this. So these are the things which is comes to with that. So also we have see other next things, just wait it. And also apart from that, like if you want to like in this app, if you want to like communicate, if you want to send your information about your website, about your products, about your different things or bloggings and all, so you can also do like email build for the commerce. Means you have to email marketing, create the email campaigns that learn about how there is a video which is present that how we can do and what the stuffs which is required for that. So after that having like improve our almost communication because mostly few percent of people's also present on the emails daily like that. So that's why we can also use this thing. The last and most important thing I just want to keep remind for you is like blog post. What is a blog post? The blog post is like it is also make that's to money or also to influence the person or the customers who are very interesting for to buy the product. So blog post is very important. Blog is kind of like articles, we can say like this, which is written based on that particular products, how or kind of information which is useful information which is provided to us, which is very important, so that the person who have to buy that particular product and how to this. So let's comes toward this. So having creating the blog post, so how we can make the blog. So like this, so this is this which is present. So let's I just wants to get having clothes branded names, clothes brand. So when I just want to click on this, so clothes missions. So I just click the brand. So I just got it the information from this. I just want to get it. And so what are the blogs and this, for example, AFC brand this I have form. So this is all about like having Google string or form. So if I just copied it and I just want to paste it on this because I have no time. So if I want to add the feature, like add the like add images. So when I just click on the add images, for example, so first of all, I just want to download the images. So clothes brand images. So close brand images. So I have different brand images. So like this and that. For example, if I just want to choose like this, okay. If I just choosing this, so I just want to save it. Okay, then let's come towards add the image. I just want to add it from this. So if you want to extend, so explore your summaries based on your requirement. For example, I just written some things like this and I just add it like that. So and yeah, so this is our having creating new blogs and news form. So if you want to tag different things, tags like this, so just it should be visible behind this time or hidden kind of things, visibility mode. So I'll just make one blog. We can say like this. So yes, we have to save it. So this blog, so when I just got the view on the new blogs are forms. So this is my blog, which is made by me. So this is a news. So having clothing brand names, I just make the blog. And if you want to continue with the reading, so you can go with that. So this is brand names, which is written with that. So what about your branding? So that kind of blogs you can write it based on your things and based on your requirement. So these are the things which is required for writing the blog. So I just having like Facebook. So if you want to connect with your Facebook, as per I said, like what the features that do you want to get it, like Facebook, like setting your products on Facebook, selling your product for Instagram, connect your customer with your messengers, all this stuff that you have to use in this. So this is all about that in Shopify apps, and also with having different useful things which is required, and the things which is having the one and last most important thing is like that they having nothing which is having compatible with this, or kind of what we can say that there are not coding and all the stuffs which is required for this, because the thing which is only required is like there is only requirement of creativity things and the skills that how we have look up and get up like that. So also like this. So what I just want to show you that if you want to like edit the code, right, this, so you can go with this. So you can also go with like having to show what the code inside the themes and all. So like this, these are the layout. This is the templates which is written. This is a section part, and this is a snippet and assets which is based on the images configuration and all. So if you want to like add it the different things, if you want to remove that thing kind of stuffs and all, so you can do by manually also by using this all this stuffs and code which is present. So you go through with that if you do not want to like that thing. If you want to add some different things like different sessions, if you know that coding how we can use the code, so it's free feel to use that code, or you get some code from that and paste it like there in this file and you have to save it. So this, so yes, at last I just want to say, so this is all about the e-commerce site which I made it by using Shopify, which is one of the best platform. So if you want to do, or if you want to build like kind of this websites or all, so I just personally want to suggest you this is a one of the best site or the platform which is required to make without any coding knowledge and all the stuffs. So hope you like it. Do not forget about to comment on my YouTube channel, subscribe it, comment whether if you want to like it or not. Just comment it or give the feedback, means whatever the videos that I made, it's really essentials or helpful for you or not. And please click on the like button. Thank you so much.